Geomasters. Today's lesson is electrifying, literally. We're decoding moisture fronts and line thunderstorms, essays, summer weather drama queens. Grab your umbrellas or a helmet. Moisture front is a battle line where cold, dry Atlantic air, thanks to the South Atlantic High, clashes with warm, moist Indian Ocean air, courtesy of the South Indian High. Think of it as a weather tug-of-war, with lightning. Line thunderstorms, a row of storms that forms along the moisture front like impatient Capitec users in an ATM queue. They dump heavy rain, hail, and enough lightning to make Escom jealous. Josie's afternoon shock and pour, that's them. Formation breakdown. 1. Cold Atlantic air. The South Atlantic High sends chilly southwest winds from the Bengala Current, dry as your principal's jokes. 2. Warm Indian air. The South Indian High pushes moist northeast winds from the Mozambique Current, humid enough to frizz your hair. 3. Convergence. Cold Atlantic air sneaks under warm Indian air like a sneaky sibling, forcing it upward. Rising air cools, condenses. Boom. Storm clouds party. Let's zoom into how rising warm air births thunderstorms. 1. Adiabatic cooling. As warm, moist air rises, it expands and cools. When it hits the dew point, water vapor condenses into clouds. But wait, there's a plot twist. 2. Latent heat release. Condensation isn't just sweat on a cold drink. It releases heat. This heats the air, turbocharging updrafts. The cloud grows taller than a Soweto tower block. 3. Cumulonimbus formation. Now you've got a storm factory. Ice particles collide in the freezing upper cloud, creating hail. Positive charges gather at the top, negative at the bottom. Zap, lightning. 4. Orographic lift. The escarpment gives the moist air a shove upward, like a bouncer at a club. More lift equals angrier storms. 5. Wind shear. Winds changing speed, direction with height tilt the storm eastwards. This separates updrafts, storm fuel, from downdrafts, rain, hail, keeping the storm alive longer. Line thunderstorms occur in summer. Why summer only? It's because of solar heating. The interior gets heated, creating a thermal low that sucks in moisture like a vacuum. Warm oceans. Mozambique Current is summer hot, fueling evaporation. High pressure shuffle. Anticyclones shift south, opening the moisture highway. Winter. The Kalahari High slams the door. Impacts on farmers, the brutal truth. Hail damage. Imagine golf ball-sized hail shredding maize fields into coleslaw. Free State's 2019 500 million rand loss wasn't a bad dream, it was Tuesday. Torrential rain washes away topsoil faster than a politician's promise. Hello, barren fields. Flash floods, crops drown, tractors sink, and harvests delay. Ever tried harvesting in a swamp? Nah. It's not a vibe. Lightning strikes? Check. Flooded pastures? Check. Farmers lose animals, like Escom loses power cables. Now, on business nightmares, hail cracks roofs, floods turn mines into swimming pools. Rustenburg's platinum miners meet your new snorkel. Power outages. Escom's transformers get zapped more than a TikTok trend. Load shedding, more like storm shedding. Transport chaos, or Tambo flights delayed. Blame storms, not the pilot's weather surprise. Roads flood, trucks stall, supply chains unravel faster than a cheap sweater. Insurance bills. Premiums skyrocket in storm zones. Insurers aren't your friends. They're the ones charging you for nature's tantrums. Mitigation measures. Fight smarter. Farmers, use hail nets, crop armor, contour plowing, trap that soil. Early harvesting is always an option. Dodge the storm. Businesses, flood barriers, sandbags or SO90s, backup generators, ESCOM-proof your life. Use weather apps to monitor the storm, know when to run. Now that we've survived the storm saga, imagine swapping torrential rain for winds so hot and dry they could turn your morning coffee to dust. Yep, we're talking berg winds, the Sahara's cheeky cousin, here to fry your laundry, wilt your plants, and make the cape. Wish it had aircon. Want to know why these winds are worse than a politician's hot air? That's next. Stay sharp, Geomasters, or become human jerky.